Well, welcome to the Top Gun Show. Today, I'd like to welcome Dave Gibson, the Chief Strategy Officer of ADCom Solutions, the sponsor of the Top Gun Show. Dave runs the operations and development teams for ADCom and has over 25 years of experience in building and managing service provider organizations. He has a deep level of experience in all facets of cloud, VoIP, fiber, cable, and telecom service providers. Dave, welcome to the Top Gun Show.
Hey, Steve, thanks for having me. It's a pleasure. I'm a big fan.
Love it, love it. Well, talk a little bit about View. What is View and what problems does it solve?
Sure. So View is a platform that we've invested and built over the last 3 years, based on industry-leading systems. ServiceNow, Zeno, Sisense, IBM Watson, and to put it simply, right, just to get to the heart of it, every organization, no matter how big or small, what you're trying to resolve is mean time to observe, mean time to understand, and mean time to repair. How quick can I see the issue? How quick can I understand that issue? And then how quick can I repair the issue? I mean, at the end of the day, everything else is noise. That's key. And that's the foundation of everything that we've built around the platform.
I love it. I love the name too, because it gives you a view, right? That's
absolutely.
So, but other
user experience.
Yeah, I mean, there's other competitors that have those type of applications that monitor. How is View different from the competition?
No, absolutely. And to your point, there's a lot of platforms out there, managed service providers, NOCs, but several things come to mind. But if I had to narrow it down, it really boils down to our focus on that mean time to understand, and then our people in the NOC. And so we've done a couple cool things over the years around gamification and using AI and BI and algorithms to quickly analyze and run problems through the platform to prevent escalations or drive to that MTTR. And then by leveraging the View platform and what we call our service impact mapping, our NOC and our customers, different teams, network application, infrastructure teams, they can quickly get to the MTTU, which is understanding where the problem is in these wide, complex networks, and then quickly get it to the right team to solve that issue, whether it's my team as an extension of theirs, their infrastructure team, a various vendor, et cetera. And then we're continuing to add multiple APIs, integrations. It's all about really streamlining that business impact and minimizing it, for customers.
Love it, love it. Well, I had Rick Duran on last week, the CRO, and he gave an overview of ADCom Solutions and value prop, ideal customer, and stuff like that. Yeah. One of the things I came away with is that a lot of companies spend an inordinate amount of their budget or expenses on getting the sale. You guys seem to do the back end. That's where your focus is the post-sale experience, and you do it excellently. Talk a little bit about that post-sale experience and why you stand out.
No, absolutely. And we did. We purposely spent a lot of time in the back end experience and the tools to be that function for our partners and for our customers. And as part of that customer-centric approach and partner-centric approach, once that company's made that decision to come on board with us and be part of the family, they're welcomed by our project management team that's ran by B. Shaw. And we spent a lot of time on scope, expectation, managing. Are we meeting and setting and meeting those expectations? And that's it's an art that I don't think some companies really pay attention to, but it's so critical, because if you don't do that right, when you go to hand it off to the NOC or to the back end operations teams, they're not able to successfully support the customer. And so when you flow through that project management organization and you get handed off into our NOC, you're then brought into a group of a pod of 5 to 10 team members. That pod might support 3 to 5 customers, but that really allows us to get deep with our customers, build those relationships, understand their network, the nuances, hey, it's Tuesday at 4 o'clock, it's 80 degrees, knock on the red door when you dispatch. All those little nuances that go into supporting a customer. We really strive to build a platform and a foundation and an operational organization that supports those, and do it with scale and not a lot of one-offs and customizations, because that just creates a lot of problems. So.
Yeah, that's great. I know some other people use pods, but I mean, it's the P's in your pod that make your your system work,
absolutely.
the
Absolutely.
consistency. Yeah, for sure.
That might be the title of my next newsletter. Yep.
There you go. Well, hey, Dave, I know you're a big fan of the Top Gun show, and then I know there are millions and millions of people watching you right now.
Sure.
Why don't you tell the viewers a fun little known fact about yourself?
Oh, absolutely. So, if I had to pick one of the many, one things that I enjoy, my wife enjoy, we do a lot of remodeling houses. So, I think some folks say, man, you move a lot, or it seems like you're always buying a house or doing something. Well, we are. We enjoy that. We enjoy that gratification of taking something and building it, and kind of why I enjoy the platform and what I'm doing now, right? Building it, see the fruit of that labor, and and kind of keep moving. So
you're a regular Chip and Joanna Gaines, then, huh? They're right up the road of me from me up here in Waco. So
absolutely,
that's cool. That's cool. Well, Dave, thanks for taking time out to be on the Top Gun show. I know you're a busy guy as CSO, but I really appreciate your time.
I appreciate it. Keep up the good work.
You too. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Thanks, guys.